Good morning, students. Today we are going to cover 6 different programs on Python, which will cover all the 360-degree area of different types of Python programming. Our first program will be to calculate area of circle. So, to calculate the area of circle, we need radius. So, for radius, I am taking variable name as r. Here r stands for radius equal to 19.5. This is the value I have given to the variable radius. Now, next variable I am taking is A for area. Now, what is the formula for area of circle is 3.14, that is pi, multiply by. For multiply, you need to use the star symbol, multiply by r, multiply by r. Multiplying r twice means radius square. पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड, आप रेडियस स्क्वायर डायरेक्ट नहीं लिख सकते, आपको r मल्टीप्लाई r ही लिखना पड़ेगा. So 3.14 is a pi, r into r means radius square. Now area is ready and you can print. To display the area, statement is print print and the name of variable is a. Let's run it. So if the radius is 19.5, then area will be 1193.98. You can change the value of radius. Suppose r equal to radius equal to 12.5, then area equal to 3.14 multiply by r multiply by r. Here the value of r is 12.5. Print the a, so answer will change now as we have changed the radius. So this is program number 1. You can take a screenshot to know the coding. Let's move ahead with the second program. In second program, we are going to calculate area of triangle. To calculate the area of triangle, we need B for base, H for height, and then we can calculate area. Formula for area of triangle is 0.5 multiply by base multiply by height, and then we can print the A for area. Let's see the answer. Answer is 86.875. Here B means base is 12.5. H means height is 13.9. A for area, formula of the area is 0.5 into base into height, that is 1/2 into base into height. Answer is assigned to the variable A. Print means displaying the output, and we have displayed the output A. This is the output of print statement, this 86.25. If you change the value of base, if you change the value of height, answer will also change. This is program number 2, area of triangle. Again, I suggest if you want to remember this coding, you can take a screenshot. Let's move to program number 3. In our third program, we are going to calculate gross salary. Let's take the name of employee. Suppose name of employee is John. Let's take the age of employee. Age of employee is 39. Now let's take the basic salary of employee. Suppose basic salary of employee is 20,000. So name John, age 39, basic salary 20,000. Now every employee gets some DA. DA is a dearness allowance, which is 15% of the basic. So 15% means basic multiply by 0.15. Then HRA is 10% of the basic salary, so 0.10. Now we need to calculate the gross salary. Gross salary is the addition of basic salary plus 15% DA plus 10% HRA, and this is the total salary. Now we will display, first we will display the name of employee, then we will display the age of employee, and then we will display the gross salary of the employee. I will show you the output and will explain the program once again. See here. Print name. Answer is John. Print age. Answer is 39. Print gross. Answer is 25,000. Now name inputted John. Age inputted 39. Basic inputted 20,000. So these are the values which we have inputted here. Now dearness allowance is 15% of basic salary and HRA is 10% of basic salary. Basic salary plus dearness allowance plus house rent allowance is gross salary and print means display. This is the program number 3. Now we will change the pattern. Currently these 3 programs belonging to the pattern which is called linear or sequential algorithms. Now we will move for conditional algorithms. My first program will be to decide whether the number is positive or negative. Suppose number is 55. If you need to write down if in small letter. If number is greater than 0, 2 dots. These 2 dots are compulsory. It is called colon. Enter. Now give exactly 2 spaces. Space number 1, space number 2. These 2 spaces are called indentation. If number is greater than 0, we will say print in double quote positive. Text to be written in double quote or single quote positive. Else again 2 dots. Again 2 spaces. Space 1, space 2. Print negative. Now you check number is 55. This condition is true. 55 greater than 0 is 2. So output will be positive. You can see output will be positive like this. But suppose you are giving minus 55, then this condition is false and output will be negative. See, output is negative. So if condition is true, positive. If condition is false, negative. Here there are 2 dots. Here there are 2 dots. These 2 statements are having 2 spaces up front. It is called indentation. So this is how you can decide if number is positive or negative. One more program we will do on similar pattern. We will take the variable as a age. Give some value to the age. Likewise, I am giving 23. Now check if age greater than 18, then we will type eligible for driving license. And if age is not greater than 18, we will say not eligible for driving license. So see, currently age is 23. So condition is true because 23 is greater than 18. So it will print eligible for driving license. It will print eligible for driving license. Let's see. Eligible for driving license. Now suppose age 13. Now this condition is false. So it will print not eligible for driving license. These are the text messages. These text messages either need to be write in double inverted commas or single inverted comma is also okay. Single inverted comma is also okay instead of double. Last program, that is program number 6. Suppose we are having one variable called year. And suppose the value is 2022. Now we need to decide if year is leap year or not. So what you have to do here, mod. This mod sign, percentage sign gives the remainder. Calculate remainder with 4. If remainder equals to 0, अगर 2022 ये जो ईयर है इसको 4 से मॉड करेंगे और अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो इसका मतलब वो डिवाइड हो गया है। दिस साइन गिव्स द रिमाइंडर। 2 बार इक्वल टू साइन का मतलब होता है कंपेयर करिए कि इसका रिमाइंडर 0 है क्या, कंपेयर करिए। अगर ये मैच हो गया और कोई भी ईयर को 4 से डिवाइड करने का रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड लीप ईयर, और रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आता है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड नॉट लीप ईयर। एंड रन दिस। तो 2022 को 4 से मॉड यानी रिमाइंडर करते हैं तो 0 नहीं आता तो नॉट लीप ईयर। वही आप 2024 को करोगे तो रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो इट विल बी लीप ईयर। सो इट्स वेरी सिंपल। डिवाइड होता है तो लीप ईयर और नहीं होता है तो नॉट लीप ईयर। इट्स क्वाइट सिंपल। 2022 नहीं हो रहा था तो नॉट लीप ईयर, 2024 हो रहा है तो लीप ईयर। दिस साइन विल गिव यू द रिमाइंडर एंड दिस इज 2 टाइम इक्वल टू मीन्स कंपेरिजन। रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा तो लीप ईयर, नहीं आएगा तो नॉट लीप ईयर। इन दिस वे वी हैव कवर्ड 6 प्रोग्राम, 3 programs linear, 3 programs conditional. First program was area of circle, second area of triangle, third gross salary calculation, fourth positive negative, fifth eligible for driving license or not, sixth leap year or not leap year. Thank you. Stay tuned for further videos.